New York City, the Big Apple, a city that needs no introduction. From the iconic Empire State Building to the bustling streets of Times Square, New York City is a feast for the senses, but beyond its modern marvels lies a rich tapestry of architectural wonders and cultural heritage waiting to be explored. Join me as we journey through two contrasting yet equally captivating neighborhoods, the Upper East Side and Harlem. The Upper East Side, known for its elegance and affluence, showcases stunning mansions and world-renowned museums. In contrast, Harlem pulsates with a vibrant energy all its own, a testament to its rich African-American history and cultural contributions. Together, these neighborhoods offer a glimpse into the multifaceted soul of New York City. Our exploration will take us through time, from the Gilded Age mansions of the Upper East Side to the Harlem Renaissance's cultural boom. We'll wander through museums, stroll along elegant streets and soak in the electric atmosphere of these iconic neighborhoods. Get ready to experience the heart and soul of New York City, one step at a time. The Upper East Side, a neighborhood synonymous with luxury, sophistication, and a touch of old-world charm. Stepping onto its pristine streets, you're immediately greeted by rows of stately brownstones and elegant townhouses. This is a place where history whispers from every corner and the echoes of a bygone era linger in the air.
The Upper East Side is a neighborhood best explored on foot. Lose yourself in its charming streets, stopping to admire the intricate details of its architecture. From the ornate facades of its buildings to the manicured window boxes overflowing with blooms, every detail speaks to a sense of refined living.
As you stroll along Madison Avenue, you'll be captivated by its designer boutiques and upscale art galleries. This is a shopper's paradise, where window displays are works of art in themselves. But the Upper East Side is more than just a pretty face. Behind its glamorous exterior lies a rich history and a cultural scene that rivals any other in the city. No trip to the Upper East Side would be complete without a visit to its crown jewel Museum Mile. Stretching along Fifth Avenue, this iconic stretch is home to some of the world's most renowned museums. The Metropolitan Museum of Art, with its vast collection spanning centuries and cultures, is a must-see. Just across the street, the Neue Gallery showcases German and Austrian art, while the Guggenheim Museum, with its spiraling ramp and modern masterpieces, is an architectural marvel in its own right. The Frick Collection, housed in a Gilded Age mansion, offers a glimpse into the lives of the city's elite. After a day of museum hopping, escape the city bustle with a stroll through Central Park. This urban oasis offers a breath of fresh air and a chance to reconnect with nature. Take a leisurely walk along its winding paths, rent a rowboat on the lake, or simply relax on a bench and soak in the scenery. The Upper East Side's architectural landscape is a testament to the opulence of America's Gilded Age. During this era of unprecedented wealth and extravagance, the neighborhood became a playground for the nation's elite. Among them, the Vanderbilts, a family synonymous with wealth and power, left an indelible mark on the neighborhood. Their grand mansions, once symbols of their immense fortune, now stand as reminders of a bygone era. The William Henry Vanderbilt House, a sprawling French Renaissance chateau, is a prime example. Sadly, many of these palatial homes have been converted into museums, cultural institutions, or embassies. Take a moment to imagine the lavish parties and opulent lifestyles that once unfolded within these walls. The Upper East Side streets have witnessed history in the making. They whisper tales of ambition, rivalry, and the relentless pursuit of the American dream. Section 5, Harlem, a cultural tapestry woven in history. As we leave the polished streets of the Upper East Side behind, we journey north to Harlem, a neighborhood pulsating with a different kind of energy.
Harlem is a place where history and culture collide, where the echoes of the Harlem Renaissance still resonate in the air.
This is a neighborhood that has overcome adversity to emerge as a symbol of African-American resilience and artistic expression.
From the Apollo Theater, where legends like Ella Fitzgerald and Billie Holiday graced the stage, to the Schomburg Center for Research in Black Culture, a treasure trove of African-American history and literature, Harlem is a neighborhood that demands to be experienced.
Its streets are alive with music, from the soulful sounds of jazz to the rhythmic beats of hip-hop.
As you explore Harlem, be sure to take in its vibrant street art, a testament to the neighborhood's creative spirit. Murals adorn the sides of buildings, each one telling a story of struggle, triumph, and the indomitable spirit of Harlem.
Section 6. The Apollo Theatre, where stars were born and legends were made.
No exploration of Harlem would be complete without a visit to its most iconic landmark, the Apollo Theatre. This legendary venue has been a cornerstone of African-American culture for over 80 years. Standing on 125th Street, the Apollo's neon sign beckons visitors to step inside and experience a piece of musical history.
Countless legends have graced its stage, from Ella Fitzgerald and Billie Holiday to James Brown and Michael Jackson.
The Apollo's Amateur Night, a tradition dating back to the theatre's early days, has launched the careers of countless stars, including the Jackson 5. Today, the Apollo continues to be a vital cultural hub, hosting a diverse range of performances from music and dance to comedy and spoken word.
Attend a show, take a guided tour, or simply soak in the atmosphere of this historic venue.
The Apollo Theatre is more than just a theatre. It's a living testament to the power of music and the enduring legacy of the Harlem Renaissance.
Section 7. Culinary delights and shopping sprees, from Uptown Elegance to Harlem's soul food.
New York City is a melting pot of flavors, and the Upper East Side and Harlem offer a taste of two distinct culinary worlds. On the Upper East Side, indulge in fine dining experiences at Michelin-starred restaurants where every dish is a work of art. Savor exquisite French cuisine, sample innovative tasting menus, and treat yourself to impeccable service.
For a more casual but equally delicious experience, explore the neighborhood's charming cafes and bakeries. Indulge in freshly baked pastries, sip on artisanal coffee, and watch the world go by from a sidewalk table.
In Harlem, prepare to be tantalized by the soul-satisfying flavors of soul food. This culinary tradition, with its roots in the American South, celebrates comfort food at its finest.
Head to Sylvia's, a Harlem institution, and savor classics like fried chicken, collard greens, and macaroni and cheese.
Section 8. Exploring accommodations, from boutique hotels to historic Harlem lodgings. When it comes to finding the perfect place to rest your head after a day of exploring, the Upper East Side and Harlem offer a range of options to suit every taste and budget. On the Upper East Side, luxurious hotels reign supreme. Check into the Mark Hotel, known for its chic design and celebrity clientele, or the Carlyle, a timeless classic that has hosted royalty and dignitaries for decades. For a more intimate experience, consider one of the neighborhood's boutique hotels. These smaller hotels offer personalized service and charming accommodations, often with unique design elements that reflect the neighborhood's character. In Harlem, you'll find a mix of historic hotels and modern accommodations. The Hotel Teresa, once known as the Waldorf of Harlem, played a pivotal role in the civil rights movement, hosting figures like Malcolm X and Martin Luther King Jr. Today it stands as a reminder of Harlem's rich history. Section 9. Embracing the unique spirit of two neighborhoods. As our journey through the Upper East Side and Harlem comes to an end, I hope you'll come away with a deeper appreciation for the diverse tapestry of New York City. These two neighborhoods, each with its own distinct character, offer a glimpse into the heart and soul of the city that never sleeps. The Upper East Side, with its elegant streets, world-class museums, and glimpses into the Gilded Age, is a testament to the city's enduring glamour and sophistication. Harlem, on the other hand, pulsates with a vibrant energy all its own, a celebration of African-American culture and history. Whether you're drawn to the allure of luxury or the rhythm of Harlem's streets, these neighborhoods invite you to explore, discover, and embrace the multifaceted spirit of New York City. So come, wander through their streets, soak in their unique vibes, and create your own unforgettable New York City story.